If you want to hide apps on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can go to the security app that should be pre-installed on your phone. You can definitely find it in the app drawer. Then once you have the security app opened, we can scroll down a little bit in order to find common features, and there is a chance that you will find hide apps in here. If not, then scroll all the way down and swipe up to open this toolbox, and here at the bottom we have hide apps option. In this case, I already have the password set up, so I have some hidden apps already, but let me actually turn it off to show you how it works, because the app lock is not really necessary. So usually if you go over here and turn on the hide apps feature, then you can decide which apps should be hidden. So we can tap on these switchers on the right side, right next to these apps that should be hidden, in order to, of course, hide them. And then in order to open these hidden apps, in order to find all of them, you just have to spread 2 fingers apart on the home screen. And there we go. As you can see, we have hidden apps, which you can, of course, keep adding. We can also set up the app lock, as I did. And you can also hide notifications from these hidden apps. Tap on this setting icon in the upper right corner to find some other stuff as well. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.